Welcome to this tutorial on how to determine the median mainstream hire car rate using the Hire Rates database. We will walk through the process step by step to ensure you can find the information you need. In this case, we are going to find the median rate for a Toyota Corolla on the 1st of June 2025 for a 26-day hire. First, we need to identify what vehicles are considered broadly equivalent to the vehicle in question. To do this, select the link stating 300 like-for-like vehicles. In the Options panel on the left, select the make of the vehicle you are assessing. In this example, we'll use Toyota. Next, choose the specific model. In this case, the model is a Corolla. Click Apply to generate the report. This report has generated 3 columns. You will always refer to the column that says like-for-like. Do not use a column that says like-for-like -1 or like-for-like +1. On the second row of the column, you will see the words passenger, small, less than $40,000. You will need to remember this for the next step. Now that we have an idea of comparable vehicles, let's find the hire rates. Select the home icon and then select the report named 321 Hire Rates Lookup, Additional Filtering. You will again see the Options panel on the left. First, enter the start date of the hire in both date fields. In this case, the start date is 1st June 2025. Next, select the state of the hire. In this case, the state is Western Australia. Now, we are going to select the number of days for the hire. The database provides rates for 1, 7, 14, 21 and 28 days. Sometimes you will only see the 1 or 7 day option. You must always use the option which is equal to or less than the actual number of hire days. Given the hire in this case is 26 days, we will select the 21 day option. Now we'll use the information from the like-for-like report. The like-for-like report identified the vehicle as a passenger, small, less than $40,000. Based on this, for the FCAI class, select Passenger, and for the FCAI size, select Small, less than $40,000. You can now select Apply to generate your report. You will now see a table with all rates in the database. But we need to refine this table further so that the rates used complies with the relevant case law, particularly Miller v. McKnight. We will first exclude results for Perth Airport. To do this, click the filter icon on the Location Region column header. Then select Is Not Equal To and type Perth-Airport. Then click OK. Now let's filter out Perth City in the same manner, but using the second column with the header Location Name. Again, click the filter icon on the column header, select Is Not Equal To and type Perth City. Click OK. Next, we will filter the saved date to exclude dates prior to the start of the hire. Click the Saved Date column header and select the filter icon. This time, select Show Only Rows, and then the option is On or After from the drop-down. For this example, we only want rates saved on or after the 1st of June 2025. We will select that date using the calendar, and then press OK. We will now identify a median rate from the refined table. To do this, the rates must be sorted from lowest to highest. This is done by clicking the base rate header on the table and selecting the up arrow to sort them from lowest to highest. If there is an odd number of rates, the median will be the single middle value. For example, in a sorted list of 11 rates, the 6th rate is the median. If the count of rates is an even number, there is, strictly speaking, no single middle value. Rather, there are 2 middle values. In such cases, we will use the higher of the 2 middle values. As an illustration, if there are 10 values, the 5th and 6th values are the middle values, and for our purpose, we would use the 6th value. Going back to our example, You will note that the table has 12 values. As this is an even number, there are 2 middle values, being the 6th and 7th values. We will therefore use the 7th rate from the sorted table. And that's it. You have identified the median rate for a Toyota Corolla, hired on the 1st of June 2025. As a bonus tip, you should save the table as a PDF so that the range of rates can be identified at a later date. The PDF document will be particularly useful if the case is litigated. That brings an end to this tutorial. As always, you are welcome to contact McCabe's lawyers if you have any questions about this process.